Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to get a moisturized skin. It will prevent dryness of skin and remove flaky skin. You will get a very smooth skin. Just use this remedy maybe 4 times a week and you will have a very bright skin. The first ingredients we'll be needing is yogurt. I like using yogurt because it always moisturizes my skin and prevent dryness of skin. Add 2 teaspoons of yogurt. Yogurt is very good if you are having flaky skin. It's very good, and always make use of Greek yogurt. I like using Greek yogurt because it's very good and pority yogurt. And the next thing you'll be needing is honey. Raw honey, original organic honey is the best. So don't use fake one. Add 2 teaspoons of raw honey to the yogurt. Honey helps to heal the skin. It is also rich in antioxidants and it helps to smooth skin. If you're having acne, you have to make use of honey because it works to prevent acne and it also helps to smooth skin and moisturize your skin. The next thing you'll be needing is Vaseline. Vaseline helps to moisturize the skin. It's rich in petroleum jelly, which is good for the skin to moisturize and remove any kind of dryness or flaky skin. And the next one is almond oil. I like almond oil, but just know if you don't have almond oil, use coconut oil. Both of them works perfect for removing flaky skin and preventing of dryness of skin. Just add 2 teaspoons of this almond oil to it. Remember, if you don't have almond oil, you can make use of coconut oil because all of them work together. They have same benefits. You understand? So you can use it. After you have added all those ingredients, you have to mix them. Make sure to mix them properly because of the yogurt and Vaseline, so that all of them will be properly mixed. Once you are done, it will be thick. It will be thick like this. Then you have to apply it all over your face. Anywhere you have dryness, maybe on your skin, you can just apply it there. So apply it all over your face to remove dryness of skin and prevents flaky skin. It will moisturize your skin and make it smooth. Always use it anytime you feel dry. It will help to remove. Carry it for 30 minutes. Wash it off with cold water and you will get the perfect skin you want. Smooth skin. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and